Good morning dear students, welcome to the Maths online class. Students, in previous class we discussed about the what, how to frame the what addition story problem. In that they given only the addends, we have to using that addends we have to frame one question of the story, among that using the addition word and solve that problem. Okay, so today we start the new chapter, that one is the subtraction. Okay, you already know about the concept, terms and the properties of the addition. As like that, here only the concept, terms and the properties are there that belongs to the subtraction. In today's class we discuss about the what, briefly introduction about the concept, terms and the properties of the subtraction. See here, take away, find the difference, how many more, how many less, implies the subtraction. Okay, these words, these are the main words which implies or represent the what, subtraction. Compare the subtraction to the addition. In addition also total, in all together, these are the what, that word implies the what or represent the addition. Here also find the difference and take away, how many more, how many less, these are the words which implies the what, subtraction. This is the concept of the subtraction. And then second one is the terms. In the addition there also some terms are there. If two addends are there, that are called as the first addend, second addend, and answer we get from the addends is called as the sum. Here also the first one term is called as the minuend, minuend. Okay, the first one term is called as a minuend, and second one term is called as what, subtrahend. What, subtrahend, subtrahend, subtrahend. And answer we get from the subtraction operation is called as the difference. Here not it is a sum, it is called as the difference. Okay, the first term is minuend and second term is the subtrahend, and the answer we get from the subtraction operation is called as the difference. And the subtraction sign, it's called as the minus. In the addition, plus is called as the what, addition sign, and the minus is called as the what, subtraction sign. These are the what, terms of the subtraction. And then next one is the important, it is the properties of the subtraction. In the addition we seen that zero property, order property or the commutative property, grouping property or the associative property. But here order and the associative property does not exist in the subtraction property. Here also three properties are there. See that one. Properties one, first one, when we subtract, what's this one? 0. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the number itself. Okay, the statement is, it's also called as a zero property. When we subtract 0 from a number, take any number, that is a 2-digit number or 3-digit number. See, first one take 2-digit number 22, or second one example take 342, 3-digit number. When we subtract 0 from a number 0, subtract 0, then we get answer, or the difference will be the number only. Okay, 22 minus 0 is equal to 22 only. 342 minus 0 is equal to 342. Okay, but not the reverse process will be exist. Okay, we do not subtract a number from a 0. 0 minus 342 is not exist. There is a order will be comes, that is in the next property. Then we say that one. See here, when we subtract 0 from a number, here 0 is the subtrahend and 22, a number is, any number is called as, that is a minuend. When we subtract 0 from a number, the answer or the difference will be the number itself. It is the what, zero property or the property of one of the subtraction. Then next one, property 2. Then what's the statement of the property 2? So here, if we subtract a number from itself, okay, according to the statement only we have to write the example. If we subtract a number, take one number first. Okay, if it is a 2-digit number or 3-digit number, 35, take 35 here, and 3-digit number 71. Okay. So here, if we subtract a number from itself means what? We have to subtract number from itself only, that same number only. So 35 minus 35 only, and here also 471 minus 471 only. When we subtract a number from itself only, the difference will be 0. See, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. You already know about that one. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So here, when we subtract a number from itself only, the difference will be the 0. So for 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. 471 minus 471 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the second property. Then third property is the most important property related to the orders of the subtraction or the terms of the subtraction. See, property 3, in subtraction, order in which the numbers are subtracted is important. Okay, in subtraction only, but not in the addition. In addition property, order property is holds good. You already know about that one. 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3. When we change the order, we get the same sum at both sides. Okay, that is the order property. There it will holds good, but in the subtraction it not holds good. Okay, so here in subtraction, order in which the numbers are subtracted is important. For example, here, see, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, so 3 minus 9 is equal to not equal to 6. Okay, so see here, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 3 minus 9 is not is equal to what? 6. Is equal to what? Minus 6. But you learn this one in the higher studies, so it does not exist. It will not exist. Okay, so here the orders are very important. In order, we have to take the minor and greater number and subtract the smaller number. See here, in the first one, 9 is the greater than, that subtract 3. So the order of the 9 minus 3 is exist. But here in the second example, 3 minus 9 is there. Here 3, that is the minuend is smaller than the subtrahend. So it will not exist in the subtraction. So the order is important in the what? Order in which we subtracted is important in this what? Subtraction operation. So these are the main 3 properties and terms and the concept of the subtraction. These are very important to solve the problems of the subtraction. In next class we discuss some more examples on the properties only. Thank you.